Hi again guys, welcome back to the Life Kawaii. Today I have another unboxing and let me show you the box. Mammoth huge box here. This particular one is from Nordstrom Rack. Okay, so Nordstrom Rack box. I did make a large shipment with them. They didn't package this very well. I distracted myself. Yes, I made a large shipment with them. However, the previous hauls that I've done from them, they don't always ship everything at the same time. So this is a huge box, but we'll see if it actually has all of my items in it or not. Oh, difficult box. Okay. So here we go. It looks like this one does not have all of my things in it. So we do have a few things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 things. So I can at least show you what I have today. So the first one is this dotted polka dot dress. If you haven't noticed from my previous hauls, I like polka dots quite a bit. So we will try this one on. Where do I open this? Okay, I guess I'm just going to rip this. Oh, the fabric feels nice. I will say that's one thing I have not been disappointed with Nordstrom Rack is most of the items that I've ordered, I feel like their fabric is far superior. So, it's a very cute strapless peplum polka dot dress, and it really does feel nice. Kind of makes me wonder if this is cotton or linen. This even has an anti-slip top here, if you can see that, and it has real boning in the front, so this is well made. Can't wait to try that. And I think this is a skirt, I believe, and they didn't actually have the size that I needed, so I had to get a size up. I ordered a medium because that's all they had left. So we'll see if this fits or not. It doesn't look too terribly big. So it's like an A-line fitted sailor scuba skirt. It's made out of that scuba material. So. And then for my next goodies, oh, this is actually the dress I was most excited to try. They had these bohemian embroidered linen dresses that just looked so beautiful and perfect for the hot New York weather that we have here in the summer. And I just really liked the print. I really hope this one fits and looks good. There we go. I think with this particular haul, if you've been watching my last few videos, after the really terrible fabrics that I had to deal with whenever I tried some of the cheaper brands, I always return to Nordstrom Rack as a sort of refresher to nice things again, so this is also a very luxurious feeling fabric. And that is a little bit see-through, so I'm probably going to have to wear like a little sheath underneath that. Okay, the next thing is a sea green shirt. Yes. Here we go. Oh, that looks huge. What size is this? That's a petite small. Vince Camuto, I don't think so. There you go. It's supposed to be a petite small. It looks like a medium. We'll see if that fits. Hopefully it will just be a nice sort of oversized dramatic look. And then the next thing I don't remember what it is. Whatever it is, it's black. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is a very modern fitted kimono top. And it looks not very exciting here, but hopefully when I get it on and you see it on me. It looked amazing on the model on their website. It looked really cool. I think I'll have to give that one a little bit of a pressing. Then we have something in navy. I think this is a jumpsuit. Jumpsuit? Yes. Okay. So, ugh, all their fabrics are so nice. It's a nice break from polyester to have everything in a nice fabric. So, this is also a little bit of a kimono sleeve, and it's supposed to be pretty low in the front, so a dramatic V-front jumpsuit and pants. Ugh, feels really nice. I hope that looks good. And then last but not least for the box, and let me move this mammoth thing. Oh, it's so big. Some shoes. Okay. Oh, I'm afraid these aren't as exciting. This was a necessary purchase. So it's about that time of year here in New York where we will get lots and lots of rain. So they had these very nice looking wedge rain boots, and they have really great anti-slip material at the bottom. So this was my not so sexy necessary purchase, but they feel really nice. I usually hate rain boots because I feel like they just look horribly tacky, so these actually looked slightly fashionable. I hope that they fit, and if they look even remotely cute, I'll let you see what they look like on. So let me try all of this stuff on and try to pair it with some different things I have, and then you can see what it looks like. My last thoughts and impressions. I think that we can all agree that this jumpsuit must return from whence it came. So if you are brave enough to walk around just sort of fly by like that, then kudos to you and go right ahead, but I would be terrified and holding it the entire time. So I modeled it for you guys, but I am telling you, unless you are probably, I don't know, like a B cup at least or smaller and wide shoulders, I don't think that it will stay. I am obviously at least medium busty and I have petite shoulders, so it's just not even remotely taking care of my needs. So this is going back. I did really love this embroidered little dress. This is so cute, and I can wear it with my little kawaii hats and things like that. I really liked that. If any of you are interested, I wore the size small in that, and it is a little bit see-through, but I was surprised once I had it on, you can't see through the bottom. So the top is a little bit sheer. You have to wear a nude or a white bra, or you can just go for it and put on one of these bright colors in here and just tell the world you don't care. Lots of girls here in New York do that, so if you want to do that, that's fine. But I loved that. And I take it back about the top. So this was actually super cute, and it is an oversized dramatic look, so it looks really big when you order it, and it is still too big on me in the back. You can see that because the fabric is folding over on top of itself, but the front was really pretty, and this was not expensive at all, so I will probably keep this. Liked that very much. Plus, this is one of my favorite colors to wear, and one of my favorite colors for redheads to wear. Sea green, very pretty. Also, the white scuba skirt, I am sending it back. So, not just because it was a little too big on me, so I definitely did need the small, and it was the medium that I ordered, but also it's just really see-through. And I'm surprised how see-through it is since it's scuba fabric and it's so thick, but you can easily see when I'm walking in front of the camera, you can see the seam line down the back of it and everything. So definitely sending that back. And the polka dot dress was actually really cute. I don't have time to press it, so I didn't press it tonight before I wore it for the video, but I am excited to see what it looks like once it's pressed. And I wanted to tell you, if any of you liked this, I am surprised how well made this is for what I paid for it. This feels really nice on the inside, and it even has the placket in back to button and zip it to protect your back from the zipper. And then also with the anti-slip top and the boning, this is just for the price that I paid. This is a really high quality made dress, so I'm really impressed with this. So I am keeping that one, and I feel like I got it for an absolute steal. My favorite thing in the whole box was this, which is why I still have it on. This is kind of all the things I like in one place. So it's black and very fitted and nice. I can actually wear this to work if I want to, and I really liked it with the fitted pencil skirt, which I still have on. And I also loved that it was kind of kimono-esque with its big dramatic sleeves. So it fits my kawaii needs, it fits my work needs, it's elegant, it's in one of my favorite colors. I just really, really love this. Word to the wise, if you do end up ordering this top or trying to find something similar, it does have 4 ties on it, so it took me a moment to figure out how those worked. The long ties you wrap around the front and then tie in back, and then the short ones you just tie in front, and then you can control how much of a V you want in the front. So I wanted just a little bit of one because I would be planning to wear it to work, but if you're going for an evening out or something and you wanted to wear it to work and then look a little bit more dramatic before you headed out, you could easily retie this to be a bit more sexy. So that is my shopping haul for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you want to see more shopping hauls, or you like kawaii finds or sewing, please subscribe and come see me again. Thank you so much for watching The Life Kawaii. Bye.